Welcome. Today I'll be making strawberry jam. Let's get started. Okay, here I have 2 pounds of strawberries, and we're just going to cut these up. Just like so. Like that right there. Okay. This is some of the easiest strawberry jam you've ever made, and if you never made it and you make it, I believe that you will probably continue to make it because it's so easy and it's so delicious. And like I always say, you know what's in it because you put it in. You put your own ingredients in there. Last one. Okay, and here I have a Granny Smith apple that I've already cleaned. Of course, we're going to need to peel this. Set those strawberries right there. This fruit right here, apple, any kind of apple, was my father's favorite fruit. He really believed that an apple a day would keep the doctor away, and it did pretty good with him because he lived to be 93. And I would watch him peel this apple, and you see how I'm peeling it? It didn't break, not one time. He would peel it from beginning to the end. That one's for you, Daddy. Let me move this. I'm going to dispose of these. And we're going to put this in here for tartness, if I didn't say that already. Just a little bit. You won't even notice. Of course, we have to core this apple. Still have a seed here. Seeds out. We're going to cut these into chunks. Make sure we have, because sometimes I don't core correctly or the apple is crooked or whatever, and I still have some core. So make sure you get all of that out. You see? Man overboard. I think this is it right here. Just gonna chop them up. Get this mess out of here right quick. Okay. Alright, you have my 2 mason jars in the pot over here boiling. We want those to be sterile. Okay, we're going to put these in here. We're just going to chop them up. We don't want to make them mushy because we still want them to have a little bit of bite to them. Just going to put these, as many as we can. Let's just do those first. Yeah, the rest of it will cook down in the pot. So I'm just going to take and add them to my pot. And we'll do the next batch. That was easy, huh? Yes, it was. Fairly easy. Make sure that I have a big chunk of that. There we go. We're going to turn our pot on. I'm going to turn it up high for now, and then we're going to get our ingredients in. It's going to heat up pretty fast. And to here I have 2 pounds of strawberries, so let me let you see. So I'm going to add 2 cups per pound. And of course, if you like yours sweeter, you can add more sugar. Okay. Cooking. You have to be careful because it will burn. So be careful. There you go. Like I said, if you like it sweeter, make it sweeter. If you like it less sweet, add less. And I just have it turned up until it starts to cooking, as you can see. And I'm going to add a tablespoon of lemon juice. And this is the biggest part of it. One of the biggest parts is to stand here and be patient and stir. Let these strawberries cook down and let these apples cook down. Until it really starts to bubble and starts to thicken, and you'll know it. You'll know when it's ready. Yeah. We're just going to stand here and stir. And stir. And stir, and it'll start to thicken. See that? And we're going to continue to stir. I've been stirring about 15 minutes so far, but as you see, the white foam comes to the top as it starts to thicken. And we want to Like I said, stir it till it gets really thick. And to those apples, continue to cook down. Just wanted you to see my my jar is boiling. I'm only using 2. You want them to be sterile. And my tops also. It's in there somewhere. Where are you? Just wanted you to see it. This is the other part I just wanted you to see. This is the part that's going to seal the jelly. The jelly. Okay, I've been stirring this for about 25 minutes. And I'm going to turn it off. And I'm going to let it stand for about 7 to 10 minutes. And then we're going to jar it up. Looks delicious, don't it? Yeah. You want to still have some strawberries. Little bits of strawberries in. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna let that cool down for about 7 minutes. Okay, I'll let it stand for about, I don't know, about 10 minutes or so. And I want you to see how it's thickened. Let me do the back of the spoon so you can see. You know, if it don't run back together, then it's thick enough. And I'm going to take my jars out of the hot water. Okay, these jars are really hot, and I have a ladle. Hot. Super easy, right? And I can't wait to use some of this on my toast with some butter or a bagel or whatever you like. Strawberry jam. Get the rest of this out of here. I think I did it just about right. Got a little bit more left in here. I'm gonna put it in a container. It's really hot enough. Really hot. Look at these tops. Ooh, that's hot. And you don't want to put it on super tight, just tight enough. Because these tops right here are going to seal. And when they do, you'll hear them. Because they'll pop. see the apple in there, and that's fine. You know, if you make it and you don't want the apple in there, don't put the apple in there, but, because it's hot. I was going to bring it closer. I want you to see this, how it's jelly. You can see it better now. Look at it. Yum. So good. Well, thanks for hanging out with me. And remember to pray. Then pray some more. Pray for her. Pray for him. Pray for you. Pray for them. Pray for us. Don't stop praying. Pray. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe and tap that bell if you haven't. And if you have, thank you. Share with friends and family. And comment. I would love to hear from you. And until next time, eat well, be well, stay safe, and stay blessed. Blue. I love you. You. I really do. To show you. Ooh, it's pretty hot. I wish I could spread some on some bread or something, but you gotta keep this like this for about overnight. For about 24 hours or so. Give this a try. That's really good, y'all. Later.